sevazimira tiri nhume dzevasikana Vezhira tauya nerimwe rubatsiro rwechipatara cheNgomahuru. Zvine zvinhu zvine mari inosvika iyo 1,500 USD zvokugadzirisa plumbing yakafa atenda.
On behalf of the maid soup, on behalf of the institution, I would like to render an exceeding appreciation and enormous pleasure towards Vasikana Vezhira, the job that they've done unto us. They managed to purchase these very vital and more than important goodies, which will go a prolonged way in trying to ameliorate our problems here at the institution. Truly speaking, may God richly bless them abundantly, and to our side, we definitely promise that we'll work tirelessly in order to try and utilize the material that they deliver unto us. Thank you.